AI is one of the biggest sector that is currently emerging in the crypto market right now. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 3 best AI token that I'm currently accumulating, which I believe are going to do 10 to 100x in the next bull market. We are going to take a look at it fundamentally, technically, and at the end of the video, I will give you my price prediction and also why I am currently accumulating this token. So make sure you sit around and watch this video to the end. The first token we are going to take a look at here, which is the third on our list, is the NEAR protocol. The NEAR protocol, take a look at it as the faster version of Ethereum blockchain. Like, it serves as an Ethereum blockchain, which is a layer 1 blockchain to the entire AI ecosystem. And this token is going to do well in the next bull market because currently we are already sitting at a major multi-year key level of support. And as you can see, we are already seeing a bullish setup from this level. And the last time we got to this level, what we saw was about 616% to the upside from this level right here. And this is a 6s movement just from this level if you accumulate at this level right here. I'm not saying you should do what I'm currently doing. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purpose only, but currently this is how I'm planning on how to make money in the next bull market. Right now, if you take a look at it here on the coin market cap, you can see the market cap is currently sitting at $1.8 billion, and the highest we've gotten to back in 2022 was this level right here, $12.11 billion. So imagine the token going to its high peak of market cap back in 2022. Definitely we are going to see 10 to 20x from this token alone. And as you can see, we have been respecting this level, and I strongly believe soon and very soon we are going to see a major pump from this level to this exact level here, and this will give us about 558% to the upside. And this is massive, and this is good for the long-term accumulation. So this is the third on our list on the best AI token that I'm currently accumulating. Now, taking a look at the second token I'm currently accumulating here is this FET token, which is also known as Fetcher AI. This is one of the tokens that really did a massive run back in 2023. Like, it did about if we take the measurement from this level right now to this peak right here, it did about 1,450% from this level. And right now we are already at the level, and we are showing the bullish sign of which we showed back in 2023. And if this token should perform the exact rally we saw back in 2023, definitely we are going to see this token again rolling as high as 1,484% from this exact level. And currently we are already sitting at a major key level of support, and in the last few times we got to this level, we have held it and we bounced from it. So currently this is what I'm seeing on the Fetch AI token, and in the future or in the next bull market, this token is going to do pretty well because with the interest of AI in the ecosystem right now, we are definitely going to see AI outperforming most of the altcoins. Now, if you take a look at it here on coin market cap, currently the market cap is sitting at $476 million, and the highest we've got to back in 2024 was $5.2 billion. So imagine the market cap going as high to its all-time high back here in 2024. Definitely we are going to see 10 to 100s from this token alone. So this is what we currently have on the Fetcher AI token. I'm not telling you to do what I'm doing, but currently this is how I'm planning to make money in the next bull market. Now, taking a look at the last, which is the top best AI token that we have on our list here. But before I take a look at that, if you are new to the channel, my name is Trend. I make daily videos talking about technical analysis and on-chain activities that happen within the market. And you can as well support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel right here. Turn on the notification bell, and when we make a new video or a new update concerning the crypto market, definitely you'll be notified. With that being said, the first and the best token that I'm looking at here is the Tao AI token. This token currently it's mimicking the ecosystem of Bitcoin, because the supply, if you take a look at the supply, it has just 21 million tokens in supply, and in every 4 years, just like BTC, it does halving. And as you can see, to me, this token is very, very cheap right now. And also we are sitting at a major level of support, and already we have seen a major massive great candle rallying to the upside. I think we're up 50% just this month alone. And though we still have about 15 days left for this monthly candle to close, so I still believe we still have much more room to go to much more higher prices. And the all-time high here is sitting at the $1,200. So definitely, if we are to get to the all-time high, this is going to be an easy 5s to 10s from this level right here. And with the scarcity of its supply, just like BTC, I believe this token is going to do very, very well in the next bull run, and also in the entire altcoin market. Now, taking a look at it here on coin market cap, currently the market cap is sitting at $2.9 billion, and the all-time high of the market cap we printed back in 2024 was $5.4 billion. Right now, the 24 hours volume is up 73%, and we are sitting at $615 million in volume just the past 24 hours. So this token is one of the best tokens out there when it comes to AI tokens. One of the major reasons why I'm currently accumulating is that it has just a limited supply, just like Bitcoin, 21 million supply, and also it does the activities of BTC by going into 4 years of halving. I wouldn't be surprised to see Tao sitting at $2,000 per token, because taking a look at the limited supply, this token is going to do very, very well in the next bull market. And right now, we are already seeing a bullish sign from here. And if this monthly candle should close at this level, definitely we're going to take out our previous high. And now, if we take our measurement to measure from this level now to the all-time high, if we should get to this level, it's going to give us 351% just from this current level. And I believe by the end of the next bull market, definitely this token is going to be sitting at $2,500 level, and this is a massive gain, and also the right time to accumulate the Tao tokens. I'm not saying you should do whatever I'm doing. This is just for educational purpose, and also I'm telling you how I am planning to make money in the next bull market. Now, with that being said, this is the end of today's video. I just want to show you the top 3 best AI tokens that I'm currently accumulating. And if you find this video very useful and informative, like I said, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do gives out daily analysis of Bitcoin and altcoins in the crypto market. And by you subscribing to the channel, you will definitely be notified whenever we make a new update concerning the crypto market. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.